Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 14-piece knife set, including the block that has a built-in knife sharpener directly into the side. It's got some ceramic blades in there. Easily able to keep these things sharp. And I wanted to go over this briefly because this unboxed and set up really nicely. You've got your 6 steak knives, you've got cutting knives, you've got a really cool bread knife, serrated and sharp on that, and a nice pair of shears that could cut poultry if you have that availability. But as beautiful as this is, it doesn't really matter how pretty it is if it doesn't cut. These are extremely sharp, and I do love the fact that this does have all one piece. There is not a separate piece, not a separate handle. So that means there's not food gonna get stuck in here. You can wash these, you know it's gonna be clean, and it feels really nice. This is nice ergonomic grip on here. Again, all metal. So that works great. So then if you're gonna be in here cutting, I mean, look at that. Look how easily that cuts. Really thin strips. This is some tuna steak here. Gonna cut through that. I'm gonna switch over. Let me use a paring knife here and go ahead and cut a tomato and see how that's, oh man, just slides right through. See if I can get a thin strip going. I mean, that's gonna cut right through there, right through tomatoes, right through some meats. And these will wipe up and be clean just as easy as they are beautiful. These steak knife set here, there's 6 of these, are serrated as well. So that's going to be really nice to keep those cut really beautiful. I just love the fact that the SMIRLY company here, it says bringing smiles daily, which they absolutely do. Beautiful wood block here. Everything is nicely hand done on here. So this is going to sit up in your kitchen, can tuck back in, and you've got all these knives that are beautiful, functional, and you can use them for as long as you need.